Hello folks, welcome to English 1001, section 153. My name is Anna McGill and I will be your instructor today for the semester. And it's going to look a little different than I have normally done this class in the past, but hopefully we'll be able to figure all of this out together. I am also a student. I'm a grad student here at LSU in the English department. I'm 4 years now into a 6-year PhD program studying medieval literature. I study magic ladies and knights, the round table, all that kind of fun stuff. So I am also kind of navigating this school in a pandemic situation. So I'm here in my not hurricaning backyard. So I just wanted to go through a little bit of kind of what you can expect from this course. Hopefully you have read or you will be able to read the syllabus soon. I recommend kind of pulling it up and watching while I go through it, like going through it with me, just so you can see. First, I've got my student hours on here. Some other professors you have might call them office hours. This is just a time that I'm going to be online Monday and Wednesday from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. and then Thursdays from 1 to 2. Just a few hours a week that I'm going to be online on Zoom, available and ready to chat with y'all about questions you may have, papers, concerns, anything like that really. And if those times don't work, shoot me an email. We can figure something out. So this is rhetoric course, writing, composition. I don't feel like we need to be using a physical textbook that y'all have to purchase in 2020 in a pandemic, so no textbook, no style guide. Our style guide will be the Purdue OWL MLA style guide. It's linked on Moodle, and our course texts will kind of be the Crash Course Navigating Digital Information video series on YouTube. That's available for free. And then if you have other readings, I'll provide them to you either with a link to a website or a PDF that you can just download and access whenever. So generally, kind of the shape of the course is going to be that on Mondays we will do something, Wednesdays we will read something, and Fridays we will watch something. So Fridays, a lot of those will be those navigating digital information videos. And then you might write a little 50-word journal entry on a question or prompt related to what was going on in the video. Mondays are going to very often be a forum post, so that's going to be another one of our sort of regular participation assignments throughout the semester. Kind of responding to a larger question, analyzing a text, something like that. That would take a little bit more time. That'll be about 200-ish words for most of those. And we'll have a few of those, 20 journals and 10 forum posts throughout the semester, in addition to your major projects. That's going to be the stuff that's going to lead towards this final paper. Ordinarily, a lot of times in this class, we would have several longer papers. We're not doing that. We're just going to do these little sort of smaller analyses to get y'all ready, and then you can focus all of your energies on this, on the final paper. You'll have time to really get into the research, really figure out how that's going to work, and also do drafts and all that kind of stuff. So your main assignments: annotated bibliography, issue analysis, paper. That's going to be a 1,500-word paper, and then a video presentation on the same topic. Working on that kind of throughout the semester with drafts and stuff. So, like, we're in a pandemic, right? I'm going to work with you guys. I'm human. Y'all are human. I really hope that everything goes as well as possible for all of us this semester, but it is what it is, right? So, that being said, I'm going to work with you guys on deadlines. I'm going to work with you guys if, and you don't necessarily have to tell me what it is. They've got a statement on the syllabus if you want to read through it, but I want y'all to know that, I want to hear from you guys. If you're not going to be able to turn in your work for a week and you don't want to tell me why, that's fine. Just, shoot me an email so that I know that you're, alive and okay. That's my concern. Because, we're here to learn, writing and composition, but also you can't really do that if you're not, healthy and safe. So, you don't have to give me details you don't want to, just shoot me an email, And so that policy is kind of going to carry through with my late work policy, right? Just across the board, 1 week's grace for any late formal assignment. So that's the annotated bibliography, the papers, the paper, and the presentation. No questions asked. If you upload it within a week, it's fine. If it's going to be any later than that, I do ask that you email me and let me know. And then, if you email me, we can discuss a penalty. If you don't email me, you will start incurring a penalty for the lateness after a week. And with forum posts and journal submissions, it's a little bit different since those are more smaller, every week, every couple times a week assignments, right? So that will be more of they're graded on completion, so there's no right or wrong answer. Did you answer the questions that I asked? And did you hit the word count that you needed to hit? If yes to both of those questions, then congratulations, you get the points. So there are deadlines and syllabus for these. I ask that you follow them. I suggest that you follow them. But I will tally these grades at the midterms and at the final. Do with that information what you will. Let's see. You'll be required to do a couple conferences with me, just so that we can talk one-on-one about your papers and about your ideas. I found that to be really helpful, with the writing process. Even when I'm writing my own papers, I'm always talking somebody's ear off about what I'm working on. Let's see, and I do have some resources down here at the bottom. Kind of general rule in my classes: don't be a jerk, and be kind to yourself. Hydrate. Try to get some rest. This is a time, and this is a time that it is okay to not be okay. And everybody here, I certainly would want y'all to all have the best experience that you can have and to learn as much as you can, but I also would like for you guys to be safe and happy and healthy. And so please take care of yourselves. And then on the bottom of the syllabus, you'll find this fun color-coded schedule, kind of detailing what the deadlines are for every day and kind of what we're doing every day. And I will update that and update you all as I get those specifics nailed out for some of those things that'll be a little bit more TBD-ing. Yeah. Okay, so for this week, because we had the hurricane, right? Everything kind of got pushed back to Friday. Everything that was due throughout the week, I just went ahead because we didn't know that it was going to be a hurricane. everything's pushed back to Friday, since we do still have Laura coming throughout the week. So watch this video. Congratulations, you're almost done with that. Write a forum post introducing yourself. Read the syllabus. Read the PowerPoint that's going up this week. Watch Navigating Digital Information 1. And then there are a couple journal entries as well. So we'll get it together. We'll get through this together. Shoot me an email if you have any questions. It's amcgill5@lsu.edu. It's on everything in my emails everywhere. Shoot me an email. Take care of yourselves. Be kind to yourselves. I intend for these videos to be a little bit shorter than this in the future, so no worries. Have a good one, y'all.